Justice will be served, an assurance from the government to the family of a man who was killed by police in St. Mary on Monday. Now, for a third consecutive day, residents gathered, but not like the days before. Giovanni Dennis has his primetime news follow-up.
Today was different. No roadblocks, no placards. But the pain over the killing of Savion Hines on Monday still intact. His mother, Carmen Purcell, didn't speak. But her daughter, Peter Gay Hines, recounted.
They came with the guns, pointed on me with my kids. Went through the 3 rooms, come back. 5 of them was around the house. And then 5 went inside.
She says the police asked for her brother, then left the house in search of him. They returned with him, she recounts, and shot him 6 times at the back of the house. She alleges the police had his body in their van until midnight Monday.
You can't deal with people dead like that. Have respect for people. If police citizens have respect for we can respect them.
And still, she says, nothing was said to the family.
We're still waiting on them, but we still need to know what him have done and why them come and kill him like that in front of us, especially my children. Right now, my kids are traumatized. I can't have them in a yard. Every day, my smaller child getting up asking for him, where is uncle, when him coming home?
Desreen, an aunt of the dead man, is still angry.
I said, this make me hate police. I tell you, me hate you. Now me feel what the people them a feel when people are cry out, so no kill them innocent. I never know say to come at my doorway. If you no kill me nephew innocent, I mean no, him a no gunman come here and put me neck on the block and swear for him.
So Mr. Prime Minister, I want justice for my brother because them never have to kill him. If them a look for somebody, lock him up. Put charge on him, make him go doing time and come out or sentence him.
Members of the security apparatus and the Member of Parliament showed up.
There will be no attempt to cover the truth.
But the residents weren't impressed.
Mr. Montague, this is your question. You are a part of this constituency. Why it takes so long to address me? Why?
I took until today because I know the community is hurting. The community must bend.
Mr. Montague says the government will ensure there's justice.
No matter who the blame is to drop on, whether it is to the right or to the left, it will flow. Justice will flow like River Nile because the people need answers, the family need closure. And as a country, we need to resolve that we should be long past these kinds of things.
Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of National Security, Mathis Amuda, says he understands the anger, but is pleading with the community to allow investigations to take place.
No excess use of force is something the government accepts or is supportive of. But what we are insistent on is that we allow investigations to take place. We allow the institutions that we as Jamaicans have put in place to work. So internal investigations are taking place in the force as well as in the com.
I mean, I want to sweep it under the carpet, because this can't sweep under the carpet. Who feels it, knows it. They're not a pretty talk with no politician. This is not about JLP nor PMP. Justice me want.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.